Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, allow me to thank you for the time given to me. It's an honor to be presenter in this international journal seminar e-commerce 2021. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ria Puan Aditama, as a first author from Department of Mathematics, Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science, 11 Maret University. This paper title is Hill Climbing Algorithm for Bayesian Network Structure. And this is what my research looking at. One of the technique used in the data classification is Bayesian network. According to Simanjuntak in 2010, BN is a model in the form of a graph that can represent the level of dependence of a random variable with its graph structure. According Neapolitan in 2004, BN represent a causal relationship between the variable contained in BN structure. In general, BIM can be applied in intelligent applications such as machine learning, weather forecasting, voice recognition, signal processing, medical diagnosis, and other intelligent system applications. And BN is also one of the probabilistic graphical model or PGM. Approach method for BN structure are dependency analysis method or constraint-based, and search and scoring method or score-based. Based on search and scoring method, after the structure is formed, evaluation process can be continued with the BIC scoring function, and then continue by algorithm. Algorithm can be used to the score-based method, one of which is the hill climbing algorithm. Hill climbing is rule-based learning algorithm in a direct graph space and belongs to a heuristic search method that works greedily. And then, according Saputro et al. In 2017, Bayesian network is the theory of probability condition that is used to build the probability of a causa depending on other occurrence. The theory states that future occurrence can be predicted on the condition that previous events have occurred. And according Hackerman in 1996, there are two main parts of Bayesian network. There are BN graph structure is called directed accuracy graph or DAG, and the set of parameters. Bayesian network built by a statistical approach known as Bayes theorem, where is indicated by PYX, which is conditional probability is the recognition of the probability of an event Y if it is investigated that event X has happened. Bayes theorem, written as seen on the screen like that. And then the approach in building Bayesian network structure, according to Hang and Saptawati in 2007, approach method for BN structure are constraint-based method and score-based method. And according to Skutari in 2010, there are constraint-based method, which is a method that studies the network structure by analyzing the probability relationship possessed with the Markov probability of BN testing conditional independence, and then building a graph structure that fits the disparation concept. Meanwhile, score-based method is a method that assigns a score to each candidate in BN and tries to maximize the scoring with several heuristic search algorithms. And according to Skutari et al. In 2018, when using real-world data with simulation data, it appears that the constraint-based method is neither more efficient nor more sensitive to error than the score-based method. AIC and BIC scoring function, according Carvalho in 2009, this is determining the quality measure of being can be calculated in several different ways. This leads to the generalization of the minimum description length or MDL scoring function. MDL scoring function can written as seen on the screen like that, with Vn is a non-negative penalization function. And AIC formula can written as like that. If Fn equal 1, so use the AKK information criterion scoring function. And Bayesian information criterion is a method of selecting the best model from several other model choices. The BIC conception was first introduced by Sturgeon. This BIC uses several Bayesian theorems, so that BIC is also known as search Bayesian information criterion, and some also call it the search word Bayesian criterion. Hill climbing algorithm, according Russell and Norvig in 2003, hill climbing is one of the methods used to solve the nearest search problem. And according Kung and Mohammed in 2012, the hill climbing algorithm is the only score-based learning algorithm that performs a greedy search on the unidirectional graph space as in. One of the advantages of using the hill climbing algorithm, it can be used in almost all search procedures. And according Suyanto in 2014, hill climbing is often used if there is a good heuristic function to evaluate the state. According Suyanto in 2014, there are two different slightly ways of hill climbing. There are simple hill climbing and stable ascent hill climbing. The algorithm for simple hill climbing search is described as 1. Evaluate initial state. 2. Repeat until a solution is found or until no new operator can be applied to the current state. And then continue until the step, and there are 3 probabilities like that. Score-based method with BIC hill climbing algorithm. According Margaritis in 2003, the process of assign a score to the BN structure can written as on the screen like that, and this is changed by using Bayes' law, become like that. And here is an illustration of the BN structure with the hill climbing algorithm shown as. And based on figure, found that dissimilar score result in different BN structure. Calculative the BIC scoring function with BIC formula, which written as like that. And according to Margaritis in 2003 again, the hill climbing algorithm on a data set D is described shown as 1. E, where is collection of H in the BN, reverse empty set, then continue the next step. This is T, where is collection of parameter, reverse conditional probability tables, which is E or D, and then continue to calculation until the step 6, and in the step 6, in case score more large than maximum score, so return at step 3. Conclusion 1. Supported on the result of the discussion, it can be concluded that DN is one of the probability graphical model or PGM, or a simple probability graph, which is defined as a simple probability-based data modeling method from probabilistic theory and graph theory. And 2, the hill climbing algorithm is one of the algorithms can be used to continue the score-based. And 3, in the cognitive process employ of the score-based adjustment, which is so followed by the hill climbing algorithm with the BIC scoring function, it can be used to build the BN structure. That's all from my presentation. Thank you very much for your great attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.